This is a cyclic quadrilateral, and therefore A must be 100 degrees because it's opposite the 80 degrees. They add up to 180. And B and 110 add up to 180 degrees, so B must be 70 degrees. In B, what can I spot here? First of all, A should be fairly easy to find, but it doesn't look like it. I can see some Star Treks here, so I can work out C quite easily, but that doesn't tell me what A is. It's interesting. I should be able to find A more easily, but I think C is easier to find first. C would just be a half of this, which is 105 degrees. And from that I can work out A, because I know that they add up to 180 degrees. So A must be 75 degrees. What about B? How can I use all of my angles then to work out what B is? One thing is I've got a quadrilateral. It's not cyclic, but it is a quadrilateral, and I know that all the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So if I did 360 and I subtracted 210 and 20 and 105, oh, I've made a mistake here, haven't I? Can you spot what it is? The answer is here. I shall do this in a different colour. Orange. If I scroll back up to my Star Trek thing, you can see here that my x and my 2x are actually not within the shape. The x is within the shape, but the 2x isn't. It's the same side, it's the same direction. And if I have a look at my diagram, I've made a mistake, because I've said here that C, this is the wrong colour, the C is inside the Star Trek symbol, but the 210 isn't. I should be using this angle here, and that is why I could have found A first. It's because A and the 210 are the Star Trek things, so actually A is 105 degrees. Good tricky question, that one. And then C would have been 75 degrees. How did I realise that was a mistake? It just looked like C was under 90 degrees, and I wrote here that it was 105, so that's what made me think I better check it again. Now, let's continue our working. 360 degrees minus the 210 minus the 20 and then minus the 75, that gives 55 degrees, which is B. Good one.